Welcome back, everyone. We're doing another unboxing today. This company's been sponsoring the channel for a while. And I ripped my shirt the other day on that they sent me. And I asked them, can I have another shirt? And they said, sure. And then I asked them for something else. And this is just one of those jobs. It's like my hoodie here. This was a nice hoodie, but working on tractors and welding just doesn't last. But I am going to go get a different hoodie pretty soon because I'm almost to the point this hoodie's not even wearable, you know. The same with my shoes is I was cutting, torching, and spider landed on them and melted a hole in them, so I need to go get some new shoes too. I was thinking Carhartt because that's the only brand I could think of. There's a couple others, but that's the only brand I think of that can withstand what I do every day. This hoodie wasn't meant to be welded in, so that's kind of my fault. It is, as you probably already know, Benchmark abrasives. I've been working with them since I think June, so I appreciate that. I think they have a whole different design. I got two shirts. Yeah. Or they send me the same one. I think they just sent me the same one. Or maybe they're different sizes. Are they the same one? Yeah, they're the same one. Yeah. They already know I'm probably going to get holes in that one too, so they sent me a backup just in case. This I asked for. And make sure you guys are still on. Sometimes it's thinking camera will cut off. And you guys won't be able to. I'll be talking to myself, basically. I kind of am still, but someone's gonna watch this video, if you know. So I don't know if this box is taped at all. No. Okay. This is a Benchmark abrasive DA sander. Ooh. It comes with the wrench. My Craftsman didn't come with the wrench. It's not there fitting. I don't know if it'll work though. Size I think I'm gonna, oh no, this one has the fuzzy backing. The other DA has this surface because they stick, but it'll probably still work. Maybe I can get a different pad for it. But all I got down here, I'll see if it's fitting because I don't know if this. Yeah, it'll work. It will work. No need to use my fittings. I brought some fittings in here just in case because my Craftsman didn't come with the fitting. Yeah, that's what I'll just do. I'll just get a backing. I'll see if they have the backing blade without this Velcro, because the sandpaper I got's not Velcro. It's like a sticker. You slick it on. I'll get out my other D and show you, because it's really hard to explain. That just looks like directions on the tool. Set that over there. I need to get myself a file cabinet in here. So big thanks to Benchmark Abrasives for setting that out. Man. Got 2 good shirts now. I need to talk to KBS Coating. I don't know what their deal is, but I'll try to get a hold of them because I got some questions about reviewing some more products for them, and either they just are ignoring me or they have a robot responding to the emails, because it says I received the same email like 4 times. It says you are all set, and it's like, no, I'm not. I'm contacting you guys because I got questions, because they sent me a gas tank sealant kit and I didn't. I mean, I needed a gas tank sealant kit, but I needed other stuff more, you know. Like, I didn't know they made paint, but they make paint, because they said they could color match the blue and give me some Ford blue coming. And then they have some epoxy putty, metal putty, so we'll see what happens here. Feels like it takes less air than the Craftsman. Like Craftsman's in here. Yeah, this is what I've been using, my Craftsman 6-inch. See, this one, basically, put the airline up. You can see, show you guys the difference. You can see right there, this one's like Velcro and that one's just flat. And this sandpaper I got is like a huge sticker. You put it on there, and just like that. Hook this one up. So there's that. Then I need to make room in my sanding drawer for the new DNA. I'll give you guys a tour of my sanding drawer. As you can see, I'm not messing around with this sanding. That whole drawer is just sanding stuff. I got like, I think 1,000 or 1,500 sheets of sandpaper in that drawer. I got everything from 40 grit all the way up to, I think, 500 grit. 400 grit. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta talk to KBS Coating about some things, and I gotta see if they want to send me another shirt, because they got paint on the shirt they sent me, and I can't get it out. And it's like, if I was wearing, for example, if I bought a shirt, I wouldn't care. But I am sponsored by these companies. I am promoting these companies, advertising for these companies. And it's like, for example, if you go to a NASCAR race, and for example, Home Depot sponsoring one of the cars, and that car is completely covered in mud, where you can't even see their logo. If you understand what I'm saying, you understand what I'm saying. I don't know, I feel weird promoting a company and then I'm wearing their apparel and it's ripped or has paint on it or yeah. So. And that's the thing. Like I'm a working guy. I don't just sit around. I get stuff done. So. And that's the problem with today's economy is my generation thinks they should have everything handed to them. Or they should wait for stuff to just fall into their hands. Or expect to just take an easy way. If you know what I'm saying. And I already got some scrapers. I got a mixing cup. I got Duralight, Mondo spreader. I got a couple more of those I gotta find. I am planning on putting some Bondo on the Ford, especially on the, I think the only spots I need is the fiberglass parts. I don't see any spots on the metal or the, casting that I need it on. Yeah. But, I want to thank everyone for stopping by, and, if you haven't, please subscribe, check out the channel. I'm restoring the Ford 7610, tractor, you know, and, got other projects coming to the channel, and, I want to say big thanks to Benchmarks Abrasives. They have been a great company to work with. Even before I worked with them, their products have always been great. But I look forward to working with them in the future again. And I just keep promoting a good company, you know. And KBS Coatings the same way, you know. I mean, I've used their products before they've begun. I haven't used a gas tank filling kit yet, but I already know it's going to be good. But just gotta get a couple of those issues worked out, and I'll be in a good situation. Got a couple more companies that might sponsor the channel. I really wish I could get move over to the Ford. Really wish I could get BKT tires to sponsor my pulling tractor, as you can see right there, / show tractor. If you're watching this, BKT tires, my email address is in the channel's information. Send me an email and we can go from there. I could really use some tires, and I'm looking for a sponsor currently, 4 tires on my 7010. The back ones are 18.4, no, they're 18.4 something. The front ones I think are 12.4. 18.4 to be exact. On 16-inch rim. 6-ply P1 or B1. Can't really see. Tires are really in bad condition. So yeah, and then the front ones, I'll go get it. I'm not saying that BKT tires are going to watch this video, but maybe they will. I'll have it. 6/24s, 8-ply on 12-inch rims. I need 2 for the front, 2 for the back. If I put duals on the back, I'm going to need 4, but I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to fit it in this one if it has duals on it, so. I don't know about duals right now, but I definitely need 4 of them, so. I'll catch you guys on the next one.